Hi, are you into action? The latest Mission Impossible has just been released. The IMF is blamed for the bombing of Kremlin, so Ethan Hunt and his team tried to get back their reputation by preventing a nuclear missile from killing everyone. Can they undertake this mission? From the beginning of the movie, I was on the edge of my seat. Scene after scene, Hunt and his team are on the move. The movie takes us on a journey around the world, from Russia to India to the Middle East and back to the United States. The movie has so many cool and inventive high-tech gadgets, combined with breathtaking visuals, making it even more intense. I recommend this movie to teens 13 and up. Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol is a wonderful cinematic experience filled with action, and I think almost everyone will enjoy its fast pace. This has been a review from Gabriella Chu for Kids First. Happy holidays. Bye.